Chia seeds are rich in protein and calcium. 1 TBSP chia seeds. 80 milliliters water. Mixed and leave to soak for 30 minutes. They form a hypocaloric layer. When they get into the stomach, they increase in volume, bring a feeling of fullness, and stimulate digestion and cleans the colon. 1 cucumber with skin. Juice of a half lemon. Lemon is a natural source of antioxidant and vitamin C. Both lemon and chia seeds help to better digestion of food. Few mint leaves. Mint leaves promote digestion and boost metabolism to help in losing weight. 100 milliliters water. Puree everything with a blender. Drink this every morning before breakfast. For 2 weeks, it helps clean the body and remove fat from the body. It also helps to promote gut health and reduce constipation.